Eto na, finally, bash kung bash. Ating review to Paresan ni Diwata, Pares Overloads na malapit sa GSIS Building, Pasay Metro Manila. So kung order kayo, dyan mo yung starting point. Turo mo lang kung anong gusto mo, babayaran. Then siya ka rin magbabayad, bibigyan ka ng parang stop para i-claim mo doon yung pares mo, yung soft drinks mo, at saka yung sabaw mo. So in order guys, it's a total of 130 pesos. Why? Kasi may a la carte siyang 30 pesos na barbecue. So kung pares lang siya, it's 100 pesos lang, comes with soft drinks, only rice, and of course yung pares. Yeah. So sinabing overload, pero in reality hindi naman siya overload. No? Sakto lang naman yung timbang tsaka yung dami. Sakto lang. You get what you pay for. So sakto-sakto lang talaga. So review to the barbecue. Masarap yung barbecue niya as compared to